Okay, well I'm going to try and fit a couple of extras to the Ami today. One being this sun blind here. So let's just get our bearings. It needs to go that way up and it's going to fix somewhere near those rails and then go across there and hook on the front. So we've got in the box these, got that, we've got, whoops, we've got this too, a couple of these and a couple of tie wraps. Now, as luck would have it, all of a sudden it's gone very, very warm today. So what I'm going to try and do, first of all I'm going to undo that. That is a T10 spline, so we'll just undo that, get that out. Like so, so that's out. That needs to, that's going that way. That needs to go on there like so, with those two little screws going through. And you will see that goes on the end there like so. And we'll just stick one of those in there. I'm going to need this one to put that on, because those holes there are extremely narrow, so we'll get that screwed in there. And you will see the importance of the shapes on the end. Don't put it too tight. That one in there. There we go. Of course, it's been dull all day and the sun's come out now. It's like a greenhouse in here. It was freezing before. I'm down to my t-shirt, which of course is a Citroen Ami. So there we go. Be careful not to tighten up too tight, because these are obviously made out of plastic. You see there, so that would be going like that and fitting up there. It will fit there, so there's a gap in between there. Just going to open that. And I don't know about anybody else, but when my Ami came, this seal here wouldn't fit properly, so I've had to mess about and bend it back. And sometimes when I shut that window, I have to get out to make sure the seal's flat. I think a few other people have had the same problem as well. So there we go, that's that one. There is a difference on the two parts to make it easy to, supposedly to make it easy. I'm not sure whether it will. I'm just going to offer this part up actually. Open that too, otherwise my cameras will overheat. Make sure I can actually get this thing on when it's attached to the blind. So that's the shape of this. That goes there like so. That goes on there like that, and that pulls back. We'll get this on quickly, as fast as I can anyway. So I feel it's caught, the thread's caught. Just get this one caught as well so it doesn't drop out. course, I'm not big on instructions, so watch out for things going wrong. Just checking all my cameras are recording. They seem to, it's overheated already. GoPros really are a disgrace. Really are a disgrace. 5 minutes and it's overheated. So here we go. It's like so. That's going to be pulling forward. This is at the back. That's at that side. So now if I click this up there, just squeeze it in, you can see that should push up. That is a tight fit. There's no real adjustment on there. So you've got two pieces. You've got one like that, that's for that end, the end with like the U in it, and then you've got this one for this end. So we'll push that up there. It is quite a tight fit, I'm afraid, and it's not easy when you've got big hands. So here we go. I need to push that up so it clips in. I'm going to tighten that up later, but there you go, you get the general idea. Put this one in this side, that's that one. Here we go. So that goes, there's a slot at the bottom and a long screw on this side. Just clip that in. That's extremely long. It would help if you had some sort of, I'm going to open this, mind you, if I open this door it will move my camera, but it's boiling in here now. And funny enough, where I sit, I think I'm still going to get the sun in my eyes from here through this gap here, and it won't go back any further because the roof is braced there, as probably to stop it drumming. So that's coming. I'll probably tighten them up later. I think it's got the range to move. We've got the two things to pull here. Then you've got these clips. Got these clips like so. So how you put these on, you hook them like so and then turn like that. So like so, up the bottom and then turn. And we've got it. We just need to position them now so they're in the right place. Pull that up. There we go, that's one. Just move that slightly. Move that along. And there we go. That's that fitted. As I say, there's no real way to fasten it back there. That's as far out as it goes, and that, I don't know. I'll probably still get some sun through there, but at least it'll keep it cool. And it's as simple as that. These two things at the front to keep them clamped round the bar, just put these round and tighten them up. I can't say that I'm too pleased with that, to be honest. I don't know. I don't really like that. Just actually, I've not pulled that up properly because it's gone over the top. So perhaps that's a little bit better. It's not as wrinkled now. So yeah, that's it's a little bit better, but I don't know whether I like that. Anyway, that's how you fit the roller blind from N3D.it.